Ever fancied the idea of wielding control over your mind to accomplish certain goals or overcome daunting challenges? Well, the technique of self-hypnosis might be the key. It's a method that enables entering a state of focused relaxation and heightened suggestibility, helping you achieve specific goals or overcome challenges. It can be a useful tool for managing stress, boosting self-confidence, or altering behavior. Now, let's explore how to practice self-hypnosis step by step. First, find a serene and comfortable place. Choose a quiet, cozy location where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie in a relaxed position. Make sure you're wearing comfortable clothing. Second, set clear goals. Identify a specific goal or problem that you wish to address through self-hypnosis. Whether it's about reducing anxiety, boosting self-esteem, or quitting a habit, a clear goal is paramount. Next, employ relaxation techniques. Begin by taking a few deep breaths to calm your body and mind. You can use techniques like progressive muscle relaxation or visualization to help you relax further. From your toes up to your head, focus on each part of your body, tighten it briefly, then release the tension as you exhale. Now, it's time for induction. In this phase, you'll enter a hypnotic state. You can use various methods like counting down from 10 to 1, imagining yourself descending a staircase, or using a calming mantra. The key is to gradually shift your focus from your surroundings to a state of deep relaxation. Once you're deeply relaxed and in a trance-like state, formulate positive suggestions related to your goal. These suggestions should be in the present tense and formulated, as if you've already achieved your goal. For instance, if you wish to reduce stress, you might say, "I am calm and relaxed in every situation." Next, repeat and visualize. Repeat your positive suggestions in your mind. As you do this, envision yourself experiencing the desired outcome. Make the images as vivid and detailed as possible. Engage your senses in this mental picture. You may also find it useful to deepen the hypnotic state further by going into deeper relaxation, imagining a special place of tranquility, or using deepening scripts to enhance the trance. Finally, exit the hypnotic state. When you're ready to end the session, count from 1 to 5 or use a similar method to return to full alertness. As you do this, remind yourself that you will feel refreshed and confident. Take a moment to reflect on the experience and how it felt. Pay attention to any positive changes in your thoughts, feelings, or behavior. You can regularly repeat the self-hypnosis session to reinforce the positive suggestions and work on your goals. Remember, self-hypnosis may require practice to become more effective, and results can vary from person to person. Be patient with yourself and stay consistent with your practice. If you struggle to achieve the desired results on your own, consider seeking guidance from a certified hypnotherapist. In summary, self-hypnosis is a powerful tool that can help you manage stress, boost self-confidence, and alter behavior. By following these steps, you can harness the power of your mind to achieve your goals and overcome challenges. So why not give self-hypnosis a try? You might be surprised at what you can accomplish.